Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Tonight I went round to the local fish and chip shop that's newly opened, tried out their fish and chips because I am, after all, a connoisseur of fish and chips and meat pies. Tried their fish and chips. They gave me a couple of free crab sticks. That was a bonus because someone had botched their order, something like that. So I ate those while I was there. I didn't tell Denise, she doesn't know about that actually. Anyway, had the couple of crab sticks, that was okay. And then got home, ate the fish and chips. Probably a 3.5 out of 10 to be fair. The potato fritter was half cooked. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the road to 100k and the road to financial fortune. And somehow I'm going to have to make up that money to pay for those pretty below average fish and chips. So let's go. And here we go, straight into it. We've got $67,671.13 worth of investments. The Sharesies save is now increased to $3,405.69. We'll be putting some more money in another week's time. This video is essentially a week late, as per the last video was a week late as well. So we haven't caught up on that, but hopefully next week we will catch up on that. So next week, by putting another $1,000 into the portfolio, we'll have well over $4,405 to be exact, including extra dividends that'll come in over that time. So we will be investing. We'll be getting the $7 plan once again, doing $3,000 worth of auto invest, probably into one stock, maybe two stocks, maybe three stocks, maybe more. But we'll split that up and then we'll put the other $1,000 into whatever stocks and just keep on rolling it around again and again and again. Looking at the transactions in the wallet, we can see here there's the $1,000 went in on the 27th of February, and we also had a cash dividend for Australian Foundation Investment Co Limited, $19.52. Let's move on to the app. So on the app, we've actually got a bit of a discrepancy here. It's roughly about $100, and that's because we're not including Barramundi warrants and also Kingfish warrants, which roughly totals around about $100. We don't care about that, we're just letting it sit there, so we're always going to be out on the particular totals, but that's okay. We can see here Air New Zealand has gone ex-dividend today being the 7th of March 2024, which means in theory we should get paid out $12.41 on the 21st of March. We can also see we made a very small gain of $24.80 today, but that's neither here nor there. If we scroll down, all of these ones in green are the ones that are yet to be paid out for March. There's some in April as well. Well, there's at least a couple here in April. So based on this, upcoming dividends, $507.52 in March, which is great. That's $500,000 at least in March. We've also got some other ones that are going to possibly pay out. We can't guarantee that. We've got Fletcher Building. Yes, they had some woeful times in recent weeks, so chances are they won't be paying out. We've also got Fonterra Shareholders Fund. They've been paying out massive amounts in terms of dividends. Is it sustainable? Probably not. Will they pay in March? I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with them. And there's also Briscoes as well, $26.30 last time in September. What will they pay out this time? I've got no idea as well. We'll just have to wait. Hopefully they'll go ex-dividend, those other three, and we'll boost up that $507 to even more heady heights. Who knows? Could be $800. Unlikely, but it's possible. So overall, if we look at the $70,975.58, this is episode 72 of Road to 100k. We've put in $72,000, $1,000 every fortnight for the last 72 fortnights, which is how many weeks is that? 144 weeks. Yep, that's my maths is correct. I am a genius. It has to be said. 144 weeks of investing into this portfolio. We've got almost 71,000. We should have at least 72,000. We haven't. That's okay. We're getting closer. We're closing that gap. It was $6,000 in the red at one point. Now it's just over $1,000. We've got another $500 worth of dividends coming out very shortly. Ooh, the gap is just going to close, and who knows? It might just close. Who knows? In the next couple of 3, 4, 5 weeks, maybe it's eliminated. That's what I'm really hoping for. I can't wait till this portfolio goes into the black. It'll be a dream come true. Yeah, sad dreams that I've got, right? But it will be a dream come true because it's been in the red for so long, so many months, and yeah, we just got to keep going with it. Looking at the share allocation, nothing much has changed on that, just a little bit more into the wallet. That'll be from the $19 odd for the dividend payout plus the extra $1,000, so it's creeping up once again. Nothing much else has happened on this. Yeah, there's nothing much to look at here. Moving on to the NZX50 charts, we've had a little bit of an upswing in the day. You can definitely see an upswing here. That is pretty impressive. That's a nice steep curve there. That's the way we like it. In terms of the month, it has actually dropped off a little bit here. So yeah, I guess it's just another correction. That's what the market does. The last time we looked at this, we could see the 6 monthly chart was on a downward, bit of a downward turn there, but it is sort of creeping up from here. That kind of almost looks like a bit of a market correction here. Everything, I guess, at the end of the day is a market correction, either way you look at it. And overall on the year, yeah, it's pretty straight across the board if you average it out. Finally, we'll have a quick look at the dividends. We have actually had some payouts in January and February, so we're up to $137.67 all up. Last year's target for this portfolio was $2,876.05. All we want to do is eclipse that, and we will eclipse that because we're going to be investing throughout the entire year. There's still another $20,000 odd to go into this portfolio. By the end of the year, it should be over $90,000. Well, it will be over $90,000. It just really depends on how much dividends we get. It could be right on the tipping point of $100,000 by the end of the year. Could be the last episode. Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. We're going to do 100 episodes regardless of what the balance is anyway. And thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're definitely getting closer to the end. We're almost at the 3/4 stage. A little bit more to go. We'll keep on trucking. Thanks for watching. See you later.